on which are a probable questions and a question of similar type can be come in the coming chemistry question paper. So the question is, what is the order of reaction? This question is from the unit chemical kinetics. Order of the reaction. So sum of the powers to which the reactants are raised in a rate equation is known as the order of the reaction. So how we can write the answer for this? The answer for first question, that is order of the reaction. Order of the reaction. So we can say sum of the powers. किसकी powers लेनी है? Sum of the powers of the reactants. Sum of the powers of the reactant in rate law equation. Rate law equation. और we can say, और आप इसे इस तरह लिख सकते हैं, sum of the powers to which concentration of the reactant, to which concentration of the reactant raised in rate law, in rate law equation. For example, we can write the rate like rate equal to k and a to the power x and b to the power y. This is the rate law equation, and sum of the powers to which concentration of the reactant raised means we can say order of the reaction. क्या हो जाएगा? Order of the reaction क्या है यहाँ पे? That is x plus y. I wrote sum of the powers to which concentration of the reactant raised in a rate law equation. ये rate law equation है, reactant की concentration है, वो जो रेज की गई है उनका जो सम है, that is known as order of the reaction. So the question is, what is the order of reaction? So order of the reaction means sum of the powers to which the reactants are raised in the, or concentration of the reactant is raised in a rate law equation, that is called order of the reaction. And we I wrote the rate law equation. यहाँ पे क्या है? This is the rate law. This is the rate law equation, and this is the way how we can write the order of the reaction. Write two factors that affect the rate of a reaction. ऐसे कौन से factor हैं by which the rate of the reaction is affected? So here we can write the factors and affecting factors affecting a rate of the reaction. You can write any two. We will write here, the first is temperature and second one is the catalyst. So even we can write the surface area of a catalyst. So better we should write temperature and catalyst are the two factors on which the rate of the reaction depends. So this is the way how we can attempt the question number 1. Now move to the second question. You can get a same or similar type of questions either in MCQ assertion based question or in 3-mark question or even 5 marks, but you can get in a sub parts. So better we should know our concept clearly if we we are getting this question in assertion based, then no problem, we can attempt it properly. So the next question is, why acetic acid weaker than formic acid? So this question is from the unit aldehyde, ketone or carboxylic acid, because the question is from the acids. Why acetic acid is weaker? Means acetic acid. How we can write acetic acid? This is the one acetic acid and the second one is formic acid. We have to be just tell how this is weaker. Why the acetic acid is weaker and why the formic acid is stronger. What it is? ये क्या है? This is the formic acid. Formic acid. And this one is acetic acid. Now, why this is weaker? जो weaker acids है means they are easily not giving the hydrogen in its aqueous solution. वो नहीं easily देते हैं. That is why they are weaker. But here it can give it. Why? Because in एसिडिक एसिड क्या स्पेशल है? इन एसिडिक एसिड मिथाइल ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट और वो क्या करेगा? विच इज शोइंग और providing, so let me write the correct spelling, providing positive inductive effect and क्या करेगा? Increase the density. किसकी डेंसिटी इंक्रीज करे? डेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑन दी कार्बोकेटाइन. So this acid will not give proton ion easily, hence it is weaker than formic acid, because in a formic acid methyl group is absent, so positive inductive effect is absent there. But in acetic acid, due to the presence of methyl group which is showing a positive inductive effect and will increase the electron density on the carbocation, and hence it will not let this hydrogen go easily. That is why this acid is weaker as compared to the formic acid.